Sober and functional, practical and aesthetic, our new generation of multi-fuel built-in fires also offers pure lines, large glazed door and extreme simplicity, making it a decorative item that integrates perfectly in all chimneys and all types of interiors. But don't be fooled, this simplicity is only on the surface. Meeting the most exacting European standards both in terms of safety and respect for the environment, the Infire range is packed with technology. Able to burn wood, coal or briquettes with equal ease, it can also boast outstanding yield and is very easy to maintain. It affords your interior a new level of comfort and perfection. Our Infire guarantees effective and continuous control of combustion thanks to its thermostat, which allows you to choose a fire intensity always suited to climate conditions, without upsurges even on stoking, and with perfect control of yield. Also, the thermostat automatically adjusts combustion. This continuous control of the fire guarantees the comfort of a constant temperature in the room and considerable savings on fuel. When loading fuel into a standard insert, the new logs ignite quickly and the room becomes overheated. This unstable and often too high temperature is typical of traditional wood-burning heating. It leads to wasteful consumption of fuel. With an Infire, when after reloading with new fuel, the fire increases in intensity. The thermostat sensor measures the increase in temperature. It then reacts automatically by closing the combustion air inlet little by little. This continuous control of the fire maintains a stable, comfortable temperature in the room. It also noticeably reduces fuel consumption. The thermostat prevents any upsurge of the flame and so protects the Infire and chimney flue from overheating. A sophisticated system of stainless steel baffles allows your Infire to operate continuously with maximum yield and high power. They encourage heat transfer and improve combustion. This almost total dual combustion produces few ashes and causes minimum soiling of the chimney flue. It's very important that your Infire gives you full satisfaction and that your chimney flue has a low draft or high intensity. Adjustment of the baffles enables the Infire to adapt to the characteristics of the chimney, always guaranteeing you optimum yield. The Infire is fitted with highly resistant combustion grates, which means we can cover them with a 2-year guarantee, whereas with most other manufacturers, they're not covered by any guarantee. They enable effective dishing of the ashes that fall in an ashtray directly accessible via the front of the appliance. Infire grates have an additional function. In coal appliances, they allow adjustment of primary air intakes depending on the fuel. With coal, they are open to allow ideal combustion of the coal. But with wood, in order to prevent too rapid combustion at the center of the log, they're closed. Oxygen then attacks the logs along their entire length by means of an air distributor, which, as its name suggests, distributes combustion air along the length of the fire. Therefore, you can burn coal, wood, briquettes, and compressed logs optimally. Not many of our competitors use air distributors that enable you to burn almost all the fuel throughout the base surface area of the fire. Effective smoke removal from the glass is provided by a calibrated air curtain, which protects it from soot. The door is fitted with hard-wearing stainless steel gaskets. They guarantee total, lasting air tightness. This relieves you of the chore of having to replace a ceramic fibre gasket, which wears out and becomes less and less airtight. A gasket that has lost its airtightness has a negative effect on fire control and on the effectiveness of removing smoke from the glass. As a standard finish, your Infire is fitted with 2 fans. They propel the heat, which is distributed more evenly throughout the room. Electronic adjustment allows you to finely adjust the output in order to adapt it as best as possible to your requirements. Centrifugal fans are mounted on highly effective silent blocks. They absorb vibrations and make the fan very quiet. Easy-to-clean filters protect the fans. For more comfort, the starting and stopping of the fan are controlled by a thermal switch, the temperature switch. If you go to bed and leave the fire to burn out during the night, the temperature switch cuts off the fan as soon as the Infire is cold. This temperature switch stops a cold air current being produced, as it only starts the fan when the air temperature is warm enough. Our Infire will soon become one of the most important decorative elements in your home. It offers you the unbeatable pleasure of a wood fire, the comfort of controlled heat, and the satisfaction of using cheap and ecological fuel. With Bodart and Gonay, ecology always goes hand in hand with economy.